Good morning, children. Today we start with our lesson number 16, pattern. This is the last lesson of our syllabus. Let's start our day with a good thought. You are confined only by the walls you build yourself. Children, man has this unique ability to create limitations of his abilities. The more self aware we become, the more we focus on our weaknesses and therefore start limiting our ambitions. We convince ourselves that there are things beyond our reach and we should not pursue difficult tasks or else we would fail and feel miserable. Break all these mental shackles today as they are all lies we tell ourselves. Work on your dreams today, no matter how delayed you are. You will be successful only if you believe so. So, children, lesson number 16, patterns. So, first we see geometric patterns. See these designs, such designs found on the main gate or window. ओके, मेन गेट आपके सबके घर के सामने कंपाउंड वॉल को गेट रहता है एंड रूम्स को विंडोज़ रहती है. यू कैन सी दिस डिज़ाइंस, दिस टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न्स ऑन विंडो और मेन गेट. See, such designs we find on mats, floor, carpets. Let's see the exercise. Refer page number 87 of maths textbook. Question 1. Make a pattern by placing any geometric shapes one in front of the other. Okay. See here I take triangle. यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया है और उसके अंदर दूसरा ट्रायंगल दैट इज वन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर. ओके. Question 2. Make a pattern using different freehand shapes. These freehand shapes are given. Identify the geometric shapes in the pattern above and using them create your own design. Geometric shapes. So, here triangle, square and circle is given. So, triangle, square and circle is drawn joining triangle and square. Okay, this pattern, continue this pattern. Now we see the pattern in multiplication. I have already explained this pattern in 9 times table. So here table of 9 is given. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Okay. So children, observe the pattern in unit place 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 means descending order of digits is given, and in tens place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ascending order is given. Pattern in 8 times table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 50, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. See, unit place 86420, 86420 means even numbers are given. Let's see the exercise. Refer page number 88 of maths textbook. Question 1. Look at the 5 times table. Here 5 times table is given. Find the pattern in the digits in the units places of this table. Is there a pattern in the tens digit in this table? First we write down the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now observe the unit place. You can see 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0 in unit place, and observe the tens place 0, then 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 is given. Okay. After 50 we can take 55. So 5, 5 pattern. So pattern in the unit place of 5 time table is 5, 0, 5, 0 and so on. Pattern in the tens place table, tens place is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 likewise. Now pattern in 10 times table. Table of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So pattern in the unit place of 10 times table is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and so on. Now write the 2 times table till 2 multiplied by 15. So here we have to write down the 2 times table up to 2 multiplied by 15. Okay, and what is the pattern? Pattern in the unit place of 2 times table is C. 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 0. So pattern in the unit place of 2 times table is 0 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8. Question number 4. Complete the multiplications given below. Find a pattern in the product. So children, here 6 multiplied by 10 60, 6 multiplied by 100 600, 6 multiplied by 1000 6000, 6 multiplied by 10,000 60,000. मीन्स यहाँ पे देखो 1 के ऊपर जितने जितने ज़ीरो हम बढ़ाएंगे वो पैटर्न आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा. लाइकवाइज यू कैन सॉल्व 7 multiplied by 10 70, 7 multiplied by 100 700, 7 multiplied by 1000 7000, 7 multiplied by 10,000 70,000. Question number 5. Multiply 37 by 3 6 9 up to 27 in that order. Observe the patterns in the product. Means you have to multiply 37 by table of 3. 37 multiplied by 3 111, then 37 multiplied by 6 220, 37 multiplied by 9 330, 37 multiplied by 12 440, 37 multiplied by 15 555, 37 multiplied by 18 666, 37 multiplied by 21 777, 37 multiplied by 24 888, and 37 multiplied by 27 999. So children, here see table of 3 is given 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 30 27. Okay, so what is the pattern? On multiplying 37 by 3 times table, the product comes 111, 222, 333 and 999 and so on. That is, the same pattern is seen in the product. Okay, and here our lesson is completed, our course is completed. You have to write down this exercise in your maths copy. Children, you have to complete your copies also, and from the next live session we solve our difficulties. So be prepared. Thank you.